Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem codes in Evertale. It's really simple and easy, so you can get some awesome reward. So first of all, open Evertale on your device. Once you are in the game, you will be on the main screen. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. In the menu, select settings. This is where you will manage your account and game options. Now look for the restore account option. Tap on it and you will see a place to enter your redeem code. Enter the code exactly as it was provided. Be sure to double check it for any typos. Once the code is entered, click use code. If the code is valid, you will get a confirmation message. And that's pretty much it. That's how to redeem codes in Evertale. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.